Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and exam format so you focus on what counts. Install Python and R, set up Jupyter, and load libraries. This removes tool friction. Next, download representative datasets and at least 2 pass-style exams to calibrate timing and difficulty. Once done, create one master notebook with sections: data ingest, cleaning, analysis, visualization, and interpretation. Make sure to timestamp practice runs so you can measure improvement and identify weak topics quickly. You now move into deliberate practice. Perform ETL on 3 different datasets and record each cleaning decision and why it matters. Tackle core models, linear regression, logistic classification, k-means, and ARIMA, focusing on assumptions and validation strategies. Once comfortable, convert analyzes into reproducible notebooks with version-controlled code and explanatory markdown. This demonstrates process and reasoning. Make sure to time-box exercises and alternate problem types, so you strengthen both. You finish by simulating full, timed exams under real constraints and then audit every mistake. Note pattern gaps and target them with short drills. Create concise answer templates that state the method, present the result, and give interpretation. This saves time and ensures clarity. Finally, compile a 1-page cheat sheet of formulas, common commands, and diagnostics. If something goes wrong during the exam, isolate the failing step, simplify inputs, and rerun a minimal example to regain progress quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.